as a ministry, we are happy to be associated with this project. This project has been sponsored by the government through our agency, Rift Valley Water Service Board. And we are happy that within 1 year, the stipulated time, the project has been completed and it is serving the wananchi. Secondly, I also want to mention that this is one of the rural schemes which we want to pride ourselves with, and that is why we supported the community to give them meters. So the households, which is close to 200, each one of them has a meter reading on it, so that we are able to know the consumption of water. Many a times we've seen in this country, rural water schemes have collapsed. They have collapsed because, one, the management aspect, governance has been an issue, so that whenever people pay for the little fee they pay to maintain the service, nobody takes care of it prudently. Number two, some have also collapsed because of high electricity bills, and that is why it was recommended that this one uses solar. But the way forward in Kenya, as far as water management is concerned, is that I want to encourage water supply schemes to embrace new technology of solar, so that we tap solar system. We get plenty of water in this country, and therefore, if we embrace the usage of solar energy, it is cheaper for the community. It will also be one way of ensuring that we have water throughout.